What's up guys, it's your boy Stephen Blake and welcome back to the channel. And a happy new year to all of you out there. I can't believe we made it 10 whole years in the books. And so I thought, what better way to kick off the new year than by me giving you my top 3 easy keto tips for starting the ketogenic diet. So let's get to it.
Number 1, make a meal plan. Schedule out for the entire week what you will be eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Committing to what you write down will help you stay focused and hold you accountable. On top of that, try taking a piece of paper, writing out the dates for the month, then marking them green for every day you stay keto. There's something about consistency that just makes the brain happy. Number 2, purge your pantry. The last thing you want to do is self-sabotage when you are first starting out. The cravings will be strong, but you have to exercise extreme self-control and be disciplined. You'll be much less tempted to go off track if the options aren't readily available. Number 3, find a buddy. You are not alone on this journey of yours. If you can seek out a friend to do keto with, then go for it. Having an accountability partner to help you goes a long way. If you can't find someone in real life, then go online. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of Facebook groups to be a part of. What's great about the keto community is how warm and inviting they are, and everyone is always willing to help, no matter where you are in your journey.
And those are my top 3 easy keto tips for starting the ketogenic diet. But I'd love to hear some of yours, so be sure you comment below some of your favorite. Huh? It's her. Oh, hey.
Okay, bye.